Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizbeth, and if you've never been here before, I share my love for easy beauty, my personal style, some vlogs, some fun DIYs, just pretty much everything I'm into. And today I have a super easy and affordable makeup tutorial for you babes, the Victoria's Secret fashion show makeup look. There were so many sneak peeks and tutorials. I mean, Charlotte Tilbury even broke down her makeup look and how she did it and what she used with all her Charlotte Tilbury products. But the price tag for all those products was $600, and that is so crazy to me. But she is legendary. She is queen. Her products are made with the finest qualities. But for a girl that's on a budget and can't really afford that, I still wanted to embrace the look. I love a glowy, sultry, just feminine, sexy look, and I think we can all embrace it affordably. So I went ahead and did my research, found very similar products to the Charlotte Tilbury ones that she shared and used, but purchased all these products at CVS and Target. And I will say in this Victoria's Secret look, they used two Victoria's Secret products, so I went ahead and bought those as well. The Velvet Matte Lip Color, as well as the Brow Gel. So I bought those from Victoria's Secret and then went to Target and CVS for the rest of the products. So if you want to see the super easy, beautiful, glowy, and just like feminine makeup look, then keep watching. This whole look is about moisturized, glowy skin. So I went ahead and prepped my skin with the Bliss Hangover Fix Sheet Mask. I'm obsessed with this. It's actually made with electrolytes, and Charlotte Tilbury actually prepped the model's skin with her sheet mask, which is like a dry mask, her face cream, but that's really expensive, so I went ahead and used this one. And how cute is it? It has little like martini and Long Island iced tea and wine glasses on it. It's like a hangover mask, but it's so moisturizing. It is a great serum, doesn't irritate my skin. $3.99. So I went ahead and rubbed it in around my eyes and all over my skin just to prep it. So rub the excess on your hands because, you know, extra moisturized skin is amazing. As you can see, I have some dark spots and some acne scars and some live breakouts right now, but I don't want you guys to get discouraged. I think that's the beauty of makeup, is you can totally cover them up. Those are big insecurities of mine, but a little makeup can totally help you feel like a Victoria's Secret angel, make you feel as glowy and as glam as you want. I didn't find a drugstore foundation. I just went ahead and buffed in one of my favorite foundations. This is my go-to Bobbi Brown foundation. It just leaves my skin looking flawless and glowy and dewy, and it doesn't irritate my skin, so it is amazing. Now time for brows. I went in with this Ultra Precision Brow Pencil by e.l.f. Cosmetics. It was only $5 and it's amazing. It has a spoolie at the end. So I went ahead and just brushed my brows. Please do not judge my brows. I need to get them done. It's been a very long time. But this brow pencil is amazing. It's really fine tipped and you can really put in some really nice natural strokes. But I will say I think this color is a little too brown for me. I definitely need something darker, but I just went ahead and used it anyways because I don't want to have to go exchange it. But very nice, very fine, kind of reminds me of the Anastasia brow pencil, so it's really, really great. I liked it. Then Charlotte Tilbury went in with the Brow or Never Eyebrow Gel. This one's by Victoria's Secret. I'm actually impressed by this gel. It's a clear gel, didn't harden or irritate my brows, and it gave them like a really soft hold. Guys, now time for concealer. I purchased the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle Treatment Concealer by Maybelline. That is a mouthful. It was $5.99 on Amazon, but at Target where I bought it was $7.99. And P.S. excuse my orangey looking skin. I don't know why it looks orange. But back to the concealer, I'm actually genuinely impressed with this concealer. I know it's a cult favorite. I'm surprised it took me this long to purchase it, but it's actually quite light. It looks pretty heavy. I went with color neutralizer. I didn't have a wide range of color choices, but I actually like this color because I love a bright under eye, and it blends in really nicely and just gives me an awake, you know, refreshed look. So definitely recommend this concealer. Definitely will be purchasing it again. I actually really, really liked it. Now time to set the foundation and concealer. So I went in with this Wet n Wild Pressed Powder Photo Focus Compact. I actually really liked it, you guys. It really gave me a flawless finish. It really set in my makeup. So I definitely recommend this affordable powder. Now time for eyes. I went in with this Revlon Photo Ready eye palette in Metropolitan, that bottom left rectangle color, that really light color. I washed it all over my lid, and I'm gonna be honest, I bought 3 or 4 palettes for this eye. Charlotte Tilbury used one and it was 50 bucks, but I really wanted it to match the color of her palette. So I went in with 4 different palettes, and this was one of them to wash all over my lid. Then I went in with this e.l.f. Rose Gold eyeshadow palette, that pinky color I circled. This is quite a deal, $10 for this whole palette. It was really nice. And I just washed that color all over my lid. It's a pretty icy pink, and I really liked it. I normally don't go for those colors. To smoke out this look a bit, I went in with this LA Girl Quad eyeshadow palette, that darker mauve color, and just went into the crease to smoke it out. Never really worn colors like this, but I liked it. I really love the layers of color, and then went ahead and washed a bit of color on my lower lash line. I went in with this No Budge metallic eyeshadow stick in rose gold because Charlotte Tilbury applied this creamy eyeshadow on the lower lash line. It added a really pretty glimmer and glow, and this eyeshadow stick was perfect. I went back into that e.l.f. palette, into that pinky sparkly color, just to apply it on the top of my lid. Charlotte Tilbury applied a really pretty glittery mauve color, but I couldn't find anything like it. So I just used that glittery color, and I think it added a nice little layer of color and some dimension. Now time to contour. I went in with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow makeup stick, and it's super nice, super easy to use, and I just applied it around the frame of my face in threes, which I know is like basic bronzing contour 101. I normally don't use contour sticks or creamy contours, but I actually really like this one. And then I also contoured my nose, which I normally don't do, but I noticed Charlotte Tilbury did that for the models as well. And then I also applied the bronzer from this blush and bronzing powder duo. This is a St. Lucia color, but be mindful, these e.l.f. cosmetic bronzers are really pigmented, so go with a light hand. I feel like I'm always having to blend it in just to make it look as natural and seamless as possible. And if it is a little too streaky for you, I went back in with that Wet n Wild powder just to kind of diffuse the bronzer a bit and make it look a bit more natural. Now time to highlight. I went in with the Mega Glow makeup stick in When the Nude Strikes. This one's by Wet n Wild. They're super easy to use, kind of remind me of Glossier's Halo Scope, but for like $4. So I went ahead and applied it on my cheekbones, underneath my brows, as well as on my nose, the Cupid's bow, and rubbed it in, and it blended in so seamlessly. Time to finish up the eyes. I went in with this Infallible Matte eyeliner in deep brown. Charlotte Tilbury actually lined their eyes with dark brown, so I thought that was a really pretty soft touch. I don't really like eyeline my eyes in like chocolate brown. I tend to do black. So I went in with this pencil, but then followed up with this waterproof eyeliner pen in Coffee by e.l.f. Cosmetics. She also used a liquid liner to add a cat eye, and I'm so bad at these, but you guys, I'm telling you, a Q-tip and a makeup remover can give you the most perfect eyeliner and really give you that snatch look. So I was pretty impressed with how I finished them. Not the best eyeliner. I'm not good at these, but I really like how it turned out, and I'm telling you, this e.l.f. eyeliner is amazing and really gets into those details. Then I curled my eyelashes, which Charlotte Tilbury says is the push-up bra for your eyes, and then applied my favorite mascara. This is Volumazing Mascara by Revlon. I didn't even buy this. I have this. It's one of my absolute favorites. It gives you really volumized lashes, and I highly recommend. And I totally forgot to highlight my inner corners of my eyes, which they did for this makeup look. So I went ahead and went back in with that Wet n Wild highlight with an eyeshadow brush, and I just think it made the eyes pop even more. Now time for lips. You're gonna need a lip liner. I totally forgot to buy them from the drugstore, so this is one I had, but I highly recommend the lip liner because it not only adds dimension and depth to your lip color, but this also helps the Victoria's Secret lip color look better, because when I applied this Velvet Matte lip color, it just looked a bit splotchy, and I noticed my natural lip color showing through, but this is actually the lip color they used on the Victoria's Secret Angels, which is awesome. It's called Showstopper, and I really liked it. It's pretty, not my normal color, but I definitely think it added a really pretty feminine, girly touch. And then I totally forgot to purchase a lip gloss, so I applied a lip gloss that I had. Charlotte Tilbury used her collagen lip gloss, which I think I'm gonna buy, but yeah, any lip gloss will do for sure. And now for the finishing touch, some blush. This is the Mega Glow Makeup Stick Blush in Floor Majority by Wet n Wild. I really loved those sticks I got from Wet n Wild, the blush, the highlight, and the contour, and this blush blends in so seamlessly. I love a cream blush because it just gives a really glowy makeup look. You guys, and that is it. This is my Victoria's Secret fashion show makeup look using drugstore products. I hope you liked this easy tutorial, affordable tutorial, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.